Dear students, very good morning to all of you. This is Dr. Deepak Singh, PGT Mathematics, Combined Modern School, Darbhanga. Well, as you all know that nowadays the whole world is facing a very big challenge of an invisible enemy. Yes, I'm talking about COVID-19, which has been declared as a pandemic. And unanimously, all of them are trying to get rid of this particular virus as soon as possible. You know very well that to check the spread of the virus, the social distancing is the most important thing. And keeping this in view, the Indian government has announced a complete lockdown in our country. Because of that, all schools, colleges, malls, hotels, etc., have been closed till further order, and people have been asked to confine themselves indoor. No doubt, a very big loss will be faced in almost all fields, including educational system. You will be surprised to know that nearly 150 crores of students and 6 crores of teachers in the whole world are stuck into their houses without any work. So, to overcome this issue, every government has decided and instructed their educational institutions to give online classes to their respective students. The HRD Ministry of India has also directed the same to the institutions. And following the order of the ministry or the department, our Honorable Principal, Dr. Mrs. Nasreen Nawab, has also directed her all teachers to conduct and execute the online classes as soon as possible. Myself also following her order, going to start online class. In the very first class, I shall be discussing about the syllabus, the question pattern, the total number of questions being asked in the final exams, and above all the time management, which is to be followed by you all. So far as all of these are concerned, along with the recommendation of the books, I have just made a PDF format and that will be provided to you as soon as possible. In your syllabus, the very first chapter, the unit 1 is relation. You guys have already done relation in your previous class, in class 11. We have to proceed further to go through the binary relation and its type in class 12. Undoubtedly, I will be teaching mathematics for class 12 only because the government has ordered to make the students prepare for their board exams. And that is why class 10 and class 12 students have to be prepared through this online classes. Well, while starting the chapter relation, it is a must to recall something from class 11. That is why everything is written on the blackboard. You may be watching my name over here. The telephone number, the mobile number is also provided over here. And the unit name is written, relation and function, right? If you guys have any trouble, any problem related to the question or whatever I am teaching to all of you, please do not hesitate in asking the questions either by calling me or WhatsApp me, or you may be writing your problem in the comment section. Well, before dealing with relation and function, it is a must to know about the ordered pair, the Cartesian product of two sets, and then we shall be proceeding towards relation. And in the relation chapter, I will be again recalling all those things, whatever we have already taught you guys in class 11. and then we shall be proceeding further in the very next class of class 12. So first of all, ordered pair. I have written everything over here. Ordered pair. A pair AB. What is A and B? They are none other than the real numbers. If it is written in a definite order, where A is called the first component of the order and B is called the second component of the order, is known as an ordered pair. And on the basis of that, we may say that AB is not equal to BA in general. But in case A and B are equal, then naturally it will be equal to BA. Further, if someone writes that two ordered pairs are equal, that is AB is equal to CD, then naturally first component will be equal to the first component and the second component will be equal to the second component. I just recite you some example. Just watch over here. One two is not equal to 2 1. Is 12 equal to 21? Answer is a big no. Why so? Whereas both of the numbers have been made by two same digits, 1 and 2. But we say that 12 is not equal to 21. The main thing is that the order is changing for these two numbers. In 12, we have got 1 as a first component and 2 as a second component. Whereas in 21, 2 is the first component and 1 is the second component. And on the basis of that, we say that 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. Likewise, these two pairs are not equal. That means 1, 2 and 2, 1 are not equal. You might have drawn or plotting these 2 points in the XY plane. I just show you. Suppose this is 1, 2, 1, 2. Y-axis, x-axis, in XY plane. If I ask you to plot the point 1, 2, where it will be 1 towards x-axis, again in perpendicular direction, 2 towards y-axis. So this is the point for 1, 2. Suppose this is A. And for 2, 1, we have got 2 units towards x-axis and 1 unit towards y-axis. So this is 2, 1. Is it? Yes. So this is 2, 1. You may be watching very clearly that these 2 points are separating with each other. They are not lying at the same place. On the basis of that, we say that 1, 2 is not equal to 2, 1. So that is why they are called ordered pairs, which is written in a definite order.